Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video on my 2021 Chevy Silverado. This week, I'm going to install the Boost Auto rear interior LED dome light, which is actually just a larger light with more light output. Stay tuned. Well, my friends at Boost Auto reached out once again and wanted me to install and test this new product they have, this light. And I thought, why not? They make good products. So this looks pretty cool. Let's compare the two. And I don't think you need any tools for this. It's pretty self-explanatory. You basically just pull the old one out, plug the new one in, and that's all there is to it. Let's get it done. All right, so to remove this, it's pretty simple. You just pull it down and you have your plug right there. And this does help secure the headliner in place. So when I was pulling on this, one of the metal clips looks like it stayed in place. So I'm gonna get some pliers and pull that out and unplug this, pop the new one in. Just that simple. Just real quick. To unplug this, you have to push this little white clip in, and once you do that, you can separate the harness from the light. Now we'll plug the new one in, get it installed. Okay, and just like that, the new light's in. A lot more surface area for the light, as you can see, but we'll take a look when it gets dark, so stay tuned for that. Finished product. Only took about 3 minutes to install, and the light output is probably easily twice as much. Just one of those little things that you probably didn't know you need until you actually had it. But Boost Auto makes some pretty cool stuff for these trucks. There'll be a link in the description, and I'll link their install video. Like I said, there's really nothing to it. This is the easiest mod that I've ever done to this truck. So once again, thank you to Boost for sending this, and I like it. Anyway, until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.